Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add any sticker on your Facebook story on a Facebook Lite app. So you can see this is the Facebook Lite app, so you have to click add to story, so simply click on that, and then you have to choose any picture, videos or icon or anything you want. So this time I'm going to choose a picture, so this one, and after that you can see the option right top corner on your screen. It's called stickers. Okay, simply click on stickers. Once you click on sticker, then you will see here a lot of emoji sticker. You have to scroll, and okay, you can choose an sticker, like you can choose love, or you can customize it. You can press on that and you can drag it anywhere you want, or you can add multiple sticker or emoji, so you can see, or you can add more emoji or sticker, love, so something you want, and after that simply click share now, and it will be added on your timeline, Facebook timeline story. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.